If you are watching this video, you are in for a treat, let me tell you. So beginning November 7th, it is officially the first day of the last 14 days of my juice fast. So I want to invite you guys on the last 14 days to juice fast with me. Like, why not? I know you guys want to juice fast. Join me on November 7th for the last 14 days of my juice fast, and let's get through this together. Okay, let's get through it together. If you can't do 14 days, guess what? Guess what? You can start on November 14th. It will be the official first day of the last 7 days of my juice fast. You gotta join. You gotta join. But guess what else is exciting? I want to do a giveaway. So I want to thank everybody for their support and just taking their health in their own hands. And for me to show you gratitude and love, I decided to give away one of the things that people kept asking me about. So a lot of people were asking me about the carrier bag that I posted in 2 of my videos, and I decided to go back and purchase 2 more, and I am doing a giveaway. So if you want to receive your carrier bag, I got it in black and white, and I also got this as well. And as you can see, the tags are still on them. And if you want to receive one so that you can juice fast on the go, all you have to do is look me up on Instagram, inbox me, ticket, and I will message you back on Sunday to let you know if you are the winner. So I will be picking names on Sunday, November 6th, and I will be picking them at random, and I will be announcing the winner at 12 p.m. noon Eastern time, okay? Eastern time. So I'll be announcing then. So even if you're watching this video late, you still have the opportunity to win one. I'm not doing the first come, first serve. I'm putting all the names in one bucket, and I am picking out the names at random. And whatever 2 names I choose, those are the people who are going to receive their free bag. So please don't give up the opportunity to get a nice little treat. I love my bag. I use it everywhere I go. It's so convenient. It keeps my juices cold. You don't want to miss out. That's all I'm saying. You don't want to miss out. So I guess I'll see you guys in my next video, which is tomorrow at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So I guess I will see you then. Bye.